Baingan Bhartha is famous Indian dish made from roasted and mashed brinjal, which is then cooked with onion, tomatoes and various spices. Charred brinjal has a smoky flavor, which is often achieved by roasting it directly over an open flame. It's eaten with flatbreads such as wheat or millet roti. So let's see the recipe. So first of all, we will cut this brinjal from the middle and check whether it is not rotten from inside, because we are going to roast this whole brinjal on a direct flame. After this, we will pour some oil on the brinjal and apply the oil thoroughly on the entire brinjal. The advantage of this is that when we remove the skin comes off easily. So now, we will roast this brinjal properly on direct flame. First, we will roast from one side. When one side is roasted well, we will turn it and roast the other side also. Similarly, turn the brinjal after some time and roast it completely from all the sides. Once it is roasted well from all sides, we will leave it to cool. So this brinjal has cooled well. Now we will remove its skin. You can see how easily its skin is coming off. The skin has been completely removed. Now we will mash it. Mash it well with the help of masher or knife. Now we will take oil as per our requirement in a pan. I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil here. We will let it heat up. First of all, we will add fresh green onions in it. Here I have taken 4 medium-sized onions and cut them into fine slices. We will cook the onion till it becomes soft. After this, we will add 1 spoon of cumin seed in it, 1 large finely chopped tomato, and 2 chopped green chilies. We will fry this all well for 5 minutes. So here, the tomatoes have also cooked and become soft. Now we will add 1 medium spoon of ginger garlic paste in it, 1 medium spoon of turmeric powder, 2 medium spoons of red chili powder, 1 medium spoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and 1 medium spoon of Maggi magic masala. We will fry all this well on medium to low flame. We will also cook it by adding a little water so that the spices don't remain raw. We are putting very little water in here, therefore we have to cook it with continuous stirring. When the spices are cooked well and oil starts leaving the spices, then we will add brinjal to it. Along with this, we will add salt as per taste, finely chopped green onion leaves, and add 1 spoon of desi ghee and mix it all well and cook. In the end, garnish it by adding lots of coriander leaves. So here, a very simple and tasty brinjal bharta is ready. Try this recipe this winter and tell us how your bharta was by commenting. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel.